Deliveries. The delivery process is a crucial stage in keeping food hygienic and safe. You need to make sure that you have an effective receiving system in place to ensure the safety of food that is delivered to your establishment. You will not always be able to tell whether or not the food that is being delivered is contaminated or not, but by putting checking procedures in place, you will lower the risk dramatically. As a starting point, all of your deliveries need to be checked for signs of visible damage, broken packaging, contamination, or expired goods. Let's have a look at some of these in more detail. Packaging. When food is delivered to your establishment, ensure that your supplier protects the food from all forms of contamination. This can be achieved by using the correct packaging or containers. We need to ensure that the food delivered is packaged correctly and that the packaging is not damaged, because this can break the cold chain and it can cause contamination to food, as any insect, chemical, or foreign item can contaminate the food. Expired food. Make sure that you always check the expiry date when food is delivered, whether it is fresh, frozen, or dry store goods. If the food is expired, that means it is already spoiled. If the expiry date has passed, you need to make sure that you reject the delivery and you send it back to the supplier. Most importantly, food should never be delivered unless there is someone there to check the delivery and place it directly into the appropriate storage area. Let's have a look at how to make sure that your supplier is reputable. It is best to use companies that are approved by the Health and Safety Board, as they follow good hygienic practices. You are more than entitled to ask your supplier whether or not they are approved by the Health and Safety Board, and whether or not they comply and have the appropriate certification. When receiving food from your supplier, you must ensure that all labeling is intact and where you are able to see it. The labels should include the following. Firstly, the name of the product. Secondly, where the product is produced. Thirdly, what is inside the package. And fourth, the expiry date. In no way should any packaging be damaged, broken, dented, or rusted. With the food delivered, you need to make sure that you are given an invoice or a delivery note, where you are clearly able to check the delivery according to the invoice, so that you can be sure that it is the correct product, the correct quantity, and the correct weight. Finally, you need to make sure that the food that is delivered to you is at the correct temperature, because if the cold chain is broken, this will affect the food, and the food will have entered the danger zone during transport. When a supplier delivers high-risk food that is frozen or that is refrigerated, it must be transported in a refrigerator truck or an insulated container. If the food must be refrigerated, you must make sure it is delivered at below 5 degrees Celsius. If the item is frozen, it must be delivered frozen solid and should not be partly thawed, as this would mean it has broken the cold chain and the food will spoil. If food that is delivered to you does not meet the above requirements, you should reject the delivery, as it is likely that contamination has occurred.